Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video we're going to cut a key to a 2007 Ducati Monster 695. I got the ignition here, and if you want to see the EEPROM work being done to actually make a chip for this, and also the ignition getting leashy to actually get the cuts for this blade that we're about to cut, I'll link the videos on the top corner and at the end. For this here though, first thing we'll go ahead and do is we'll jump into motorcycles on our Black Widow. Ducati Monster 2001, and it's going to tell us it's a KW17, which is kind of like a KW15 also. And then we're going to go and just input our cuts, which were 33411 31. We got that again from the leashy, and it's going to tell us here the D jaw, and it's a shoulder stop key. So go ahead and do that. Shoulder stop right here, and we'll go ahead and get our key in there. And go ahead and hit cut. 2mm cutter, yep, okay. And let the machine do its thing here, and then we'll test it out. Alright, here we go, key cut. And get the ignition right here. We'll go ahead and we'll try it out, make sure that it works. Just wipe it off here. And get it all the way in. Using my fingers here. I don't have a head on it yet, as you can see, but it did turn. Alright, hit it with a shot of Tri-Flow. And now the key is working as it should here. And then we can even push it in, and we can actually lock the fork as well. And unlock the fork here. And now next step would be to head to the motorcycle and plug all this stuff in, make sure it starts. Like I said, the video of doing the EEPROM work and the leashy will be floating on the screen here. And if you have any questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.